Alright, so what is going on, guys? It is your boy, my name is Drew, step back at it again with a fresh new video. Now today we got something a little bit different, kind of revolutionary, something really unique, and it's geared specifically to y'all ladies, so you know, slide into the DMs, and I'm just joking. So what we're gonna be reviewing today is Nike's first luxury high heel, or I don't know, you know, to be quite honest, I don't know what to call this because I'm a guy, so wait, hold on. Give me a second. Let me see what. They're called wedge heels. Yeah. So it's kind of like a wedge heel, but a little bit different. So they basically kind of took the Air Max 720 and then they mixed it in with like kind of a fashion twist and all that stuff. So, yeah, so this variation is called the Air Max FF 720s. Now the true colors that come with the shoe is black and white with a hefty price of $225 US, not Canadian, not Australian, and not I think that's all the countries. But yeah, US dollars. So when you first open the shoe box, usually you're presented by, you know, tissue paper, but you got a bag, which is pretty nice. And the bottom left corner says, inspired by visionaries who create the world they want to live in. The future of Air Max is here, and it's in your hands. The majority of this shoe is comprised of premium genuine leather, which sounds pretty bougie if you ask me. It also has this elastic band that wraps behind your Achilles to help give you a more snug fit. But if that's not enough, they do have a unique lacing system. I believe they call it the draw cord system. So basically you can just pull the two laces and leave them and it'll be a little bit more tight, or you can also tie them in a knot. Now if you don't know how to tie your shoes, I personally recommend this video. You know, it really helped me out. So yeah, so I got someone to wear these shoes and she told me two things. One, they were actually surprisingly comfortable, and two, they do have some height to them. Now the height is because of the 720-degree air unit, and you know, the insoles have a little, you know, thickness to it. You know, the midsole is kind of thick, the outsole is kind of thick. You know, it's a pretty thick shoe, like thick, like with 3 C's. And for the bottom of the shoe, also known as the outsole, it is different from the original 720s, in which it kind of has like this wavy look, both for stylistic purposes, but also it's kind of made out of rubber, which provides a more durable traction. On the topic of durability, it seems like it's a durable shoe just based on the material and the fact that it's not too light or too heavy. It's kind of at that sweet spot. Now looking at the shoe, I was thinking, what could have been the inspiration for this design? And you know what? I think I kind of figured it out. Now, is it really worth it? I don't know. The Air Max 720s, when they first came out, were $180 US. So this is just like a little bit more for a more unique design and leather and all that stuff. But if you really want it, I suggest, you know, just give it some time. Eventually it'll come down to a reasonable price point. It all really depends on how much you really want it. And that's a wrap for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what video I should make next. And yeah, it's been your boy, my name is Drew, and until next time, guys, peace.